Hey, if you've ever sat down to write a blog post or a long-form article and thought, wow, this is going to take forever, you're not alone. Between writing, editing, formatting, adding links, checking SEO, and making sure it doesn't sound robotic, the process can feel endless. But what if I told you there's a way to create long-form content that's not only SEO optimized, but also automatically links to your existing posts? All in your voice, all in your niche, and all in just a few clicks. That's exactly what ContentRyte does, and today I'm going to show you how it changes the game. Here's the reality. Most AI writing tools treat you like a stranger. You open a blank box, type a prompt, and get generic content that could belong to anyone. No personality, no context, no connection to your site. Then the real work begins. Editing intros, adding internal links manually, running SEO checks, formatting in WordPress, finding images, maybe even paying for extra subscriptions just to get video or voiceovers. By the time you're done, you've spent hours fixing AI content that still doesn't sound like you. And you're paying hundreds of dollars a month across multiple tools. That's broken. ContentRyte flips that entire workflow on its head. It's the world's first AI content platform that learns your website before it writes a single word. When you connect your WordPress site, ContentRyte scans everything: your articles, categories, tags, internal link structure, writing style, and vocabulary. We call this your site DNA. And here's the magic. Every piece of content it generates is built on top of what you've already established. That means it writes in your voice. It automatically links to your existing posts, and it stays in your niche. No other AI tool does this. So let's break down how you can create long-form content with automatic internal linking using ContentRyte. Step 1. Connect your WordPress site. ContentRyte immediately scans your entire site. It understands your tone, your categories, your tags, and your internal link structure. This is what makes the content feel like you instead of a robot. Step 2. Train it with your knowledge. Upload your own documents, PDFs, product specs, or research notes. ContentRyte indexes everything and uses it as context. So when it writes, it's not pulling from generic internet data. It's informed by your actual expertise. Step 3. Use the AI blog article wizard. This is where the magic happens. You tell ContentRyte what topic you want, and it generates a full long-form SEO-optimized article. But here's the kicker. It automatically inserts internal links to your existing posts. No more copy-pasting URLs or remembering which article you wrote last year. It's all handled for you. Step 4. Optimize and publish. Every article is scored for AI detection, readability, and originality. You can be confident it flows naturally and passes plagiarism checks. Then, with one click, you publish directly to WordPress. Categories, tags, featured images, authors, all mapped automatically. And yes, it even pushes your content to your connected social media accounts instantly. Think about how much time this saves. Instead of juggling 5 to 10 different tools, you're working inside one dashboard. Instead of paying $300 to $500 a month, you're locking in lifetime access for less than the cost of dinner. And instead of fighting for page 1 of Google, your content is structured to be cited directly inside AI search engines like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Google AI Overviews. That means when someone asks an AI, "What's the best platform for this?" your site can be the one recommended by name, with a link right inside the chat. So if you're tired of wasting hours editing lifeless AI content, if you want long-form articles that sound like you and automatically link to your existing posts, ContentRyte is the tool you've been waiting for. Connect your site, create your content, publish with one click, and let ContentRyte handle the rest. Stop juggling tools that don't know your name. Start creating content that feels authentic, ranks on Google, gets cited across AI engines, and promotes itself on social, all from one platform. Click the link below to get started with ContentRyte today, and I'll see you on the inside.